Hey, this is Sherry Curley, also known as The Practical Sort, here to share with you why I am so pumped today. On Thursday, August 1st at 7 p.m., I will be hosting a workshop at the new Renaissance Bookstore, it's the event center in Northwest Portland. If you've never been to New Ren, it's a great place to check out if you're into Zen, spirituality, yoga, meditation, Qigong, Tai Chi, or you're on a path for self-improvement. They have an assortment of tools and events that you will love, and they will help to guide you. Now, all morning long, my head has been buzzing with ideas for new activities and games that we can do at my upcoming event on August 1st to help you to gain some techniques for figuring out what in your home is serving you. You know, all of our stuff has energy, emotional and physical energy attached. And whether it's positive, negative, or neutral, all that energy creates an environment that may be comfortable for us or maybe not serving us so well. You know, if something is negative, why are we holding on to it? If it was a product of an acrimonious relationship, maybe it was something that an ex-lover gave to you, a pendant, then it's time to release it. Now, there's some stuff that's negative in our lives, like tax documents, legal documents that we have to hold on to. Sorry, but that's just the way it is. But you know, even positive things, you know, too much of a good thing, you've probably heard of that, may not serve you well anymore. Think about Thanksgiving. There's all that yummy food, the people that you love, and then you take a few extra bites and you put on a little extra pounds. You might feel bloated, tired, uncomfortable. Too much of a good thing can sometimes backfire on us. So, what do we do with all this? Well, you know, we can quickly go from yumminess to ickiness, and we need to figure out what we do about all that. That's why I'm sharing with all the people who want to find out how energy of our stuff, how our space is affecting us at the new Renaissance Bookshop in Northwest Portland on Thursday, October 1st at 7 p.m. Now, New Renaissance does not have a ticket system that they use like Eventbrite, so you have to call them. And their number is 503-224-4929. Again, it's 503-224-4929 to register for the event, and it would be super helpful for me to have a head count ahead of time. So this way I know what we need for preparing the number of games that I need and all of the accoutrements that go along with hosting a workshop. It's only $25. Seriously, that's it. It's almost, it's going to be between 90 minutes and 2 hours, and it's going to be lots of fun, lots of prizes, only $25 per attendee. So again, it would be super helpful to me if you pre-register. I would love to see you there. If you have any questions in the meantime, contact me at Sherry, Sherri, at thepracticalsort.com. Again, Sherry at thepracticalsort.com, or you can check out thepracticalsort.com. Again, it's thepracticalsort.com for more information. And New Renaissance Bookstore, if you haven't been there, check it out. It's at 1338 Northwest 23rd Avenue in Portland, Oregon. And if you have any questions at all, just give me a shout, and I hope to see you there because we're going to have lots of fun. Take care. Bye.